Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 175. If we start with this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. Got no help here. 3, 4, 8, 4 here, so 3, 8, and no help here. 3, 4, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so 3, 4, 1 and 7 here, so 3, 4, 1 here, so 3, 4, 7, and no help here, 1, 3, 4, 7. But if we look now, the only place the 1 can be in that box is here, and that means the only place the 7 can be is here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 3, 4, 9 here, so 3, 4, 8. That means the only place our 9 can be in that box is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5, but the 5 can't be here or here, so our 5 must be here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, a 3 and 8 here, so this is our 4. Two here, 8 here, means this has to be our 3. And since the 2 was covering all these boxes, the 2 has to be here, and that means that our 8 has to be here. If we look at this row now, we're missing 7 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 7, 9, 7, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, so 1, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 1, 7. That 1 makes this our 2, 3, 1. For this box now, we're only missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 8. 2 here, so 3, 8. And that means that our 2 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 6 here, so 3, 8. 1 here, so 3, 6, 8. And no help here. 1, 3, 6, 8. 1, 3, 6, 8. For this top row, we're missing 3, 4, and 8, but the 8 can't be there or there. So it must be here. And that 8 makes this our 3, 8. So we can get rid of the 3 and 8 here. 8 here, up. And that 8 makes this our 3, which makes this our 6. 1, 8. So let's do some cleanup here. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. All right, for this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 3, 4, 3. If we look at this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 9, and I don't see any help. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And for this row, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 4 here, so 6, 8, 1, 4, and 8 here. That means this is our 6, 8, 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 3, 7, 3. That 3 makes this our 4. All right. So now I think we're just going to have to plug in and see where that takes us. Oh, wait, we've got the 6 here. That makes this our 9, 6. So we can get rid of this 9 and this 6. And with that 6, that means this is our 7, 9, 7, 9, and 6. And that'll do it for today's puzzle. That one got a little bit messy for a minute. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.